Today, we're going to be taking a look at a very special build of Windows 10 created by NTDev. It is a build of Windows 10 that promises absolute zero bloat. But what really mattered to most will be that it only requires 2GB of RAM to operate, which means it frees up your RAM so that more of it could be used for your games, your video editor, your 3D modeling and rendering program, etc. But there is one thing you should know though. Tiny10 does not come with the Windows Store installed, which means it could be problematic if your graphic driver or drivers require components that could only be retrieved from the Windows Store. However, if that is not a problem for you and you know how to go around this issue, then it is time to talk about how to install it. Let's go! Step 1. Go to this URL to download it. There were reports of audio playback issues with older builds, so be sure to download this version or higher. Step 2. Put in a thumb drive. Take note that all data will be wiped from this thumb drive, so make sure you're okay with that. Open the command line and type disk part. Press enter. Type list disk. Press enter. Make sure you select the disk that is your thumb drive and not some other drive. Type clean. Press enter. Now you can close the command line. Run the Rufus program. You can download it from here. Press the select button and select the ISO file that you have downloaded. Select NTFS here and click Start. This is going to take a while depending on the write speed of your thumb drive, but when it is done, you will have a bootable thumb drive that you will be using to install Tiny10. Alright, it is done. Let's install it into a laptop and check Tiny10 out. Next. Install now. Okay. I'm gonna click Custom to clear all the partitions. I'm basically just selecting the partitions and pressing delete until I can't do it anymore. Next. Ooh, the installation is fast. That makes sense since it is an extremely slim bloatless version of Windows. Ooh, it's done. That's really fast. Okay, let's get through the boring setup procedures. Ooh, we're here. Exciting. Let's see. The start menu is so clean. Wow. Okay. Oh wait, let me see something again. Wow, no ads and no bloats on the main display. Nothing! Yes! Alright, let's go to the settings and see what apps are installed. Nothing! Okay, this is awesome. This is so clean. Now I can just install what I need and nothing else. Alright, let's check out the disk space usage. Only 23.3GB. Wow! Now this is what I call slick, clean, and slim. Before you guys install this, remember 1. The Windows App Store is not installed in the OS. 2. Unless you register this OS, you will not be able to change the wallpaper. If you all decide to try it, please drop a comment to let me know what the experience was like for you. This is BracerCom signing off, and I will see you next week.